Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to place market and limit order on Autosnipe AI. So in order to use Autosnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees. At Autosnipe AI, you can easily use AI to do all of your trades. So it is the best tool out there for you to try. So once you click on the link, you will be landed at Autosnipe AI, where you need to click on the connect and snipe option, and then you need to make sure that you connect your Phantom wallet with it. So once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you need to simply click on the confirm option and wait for some time until it connects your Phantom wallet with Autosnipe. Now once this step is done, you need to simply deposit some Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Autosnipe AI account, so that you could use this amount in order to place the limit order and market order on your coin. So over here you can select your coin with the help of these tabs. Like if you want to get the meme coin that is based on pump.fun, you can do that. If you want to select top pairs, radium pairs, moonshot pairs, you can definitely do that as well. Now for the sake of this video, let's say I want to find the pump.fun pairs. So you need to simply select pump.fun, and here you need to simply select the coin that you want to basically place the market and the limit order on. As you can see that this is the coin that we are talking. So over here, if you want to place the market order, you need to first select market order in buy, and here in the amount you need to either enter the amount on your own, or you can even click on the max option in order to put all of your Solana into this purchasing, but I won't recommend you doing that. You can even use these presets, so this will be very quick for you. Afterwards you can adjust some of the advanced settings, that is this, but in Autosnipe AI, I won't recommend you to change anything because the AI will help you to optimize your trade. So I won't recommend you to change anything over here. Once you are done, you need to click on the buy token option, and then your order will be placed. And if you click on the my holdings section, you will be able to see your holding on this page. Now similar is the case with the selling. If you want to sell the token that you have selected at the market price, you need to first select sell token, then select market. Afterwards you need to use this slider in order to sell the percentage of the token. Then again in the advanced settings, do not change anything and click on the sell token option. Now if you want to purchase the token at the limit price, so you need to select the limit order tab, and here you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase this meme coin. Next we have the option of market cap. So basically with the limit order you can set a particular market cap, and you can provide that amount percentage over here. If you don't want to do it with market cap, then you can even select the price, and you can provide the price in Solana at which you want to basically purchase your selected meme coin. Next we have the option of expiry in. So if you want your trade to get expired, you can even use these presets. Next we have the option of advanced settings, and again if you don't know what you are doing, if you are completely new, then I would recommend you do not change anything over here. Then you need to click on the buy token option, and again your limit order will be able to see in the order history. So you will be able to see open orders section, where you will be able to see all of your limit orders. Similar is the case with sell tokens. You need to select sell token and limit order, select the percentage, enter the amount in Solana at which you want to sell the token that you have selected. If you want your trade to get expired, you can definitely select it, but for this video I'm going to keep it never. Again with advanced settings, I won't recommend you to change anything and click on the sell tokens option. Again you will be able to see your open limit orders in your open orders section. This is how you can easily place market and limit order on Autosnipe AI, and the AI optimized feature of Autosnipe AI will help you to minimize your priority fee, or it is better for optimization. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.